Now, just cast your mind back to school dinners. Perhaps it was semolina. Does that spring to mind? Or chips? Chips with chips? Well, things have moved on an awful lot since I was at school. And in Bradford, the chef in charge of school meals says that he wants children to eat restaurant quality food. A new food preparation facility, otherwise known as a kitchen, also means that cooking up the dinners is now much more environmentally friendly. So Corinne Wheatley has been back for her school lunch.
The spices are prepped and the herbs are chopped. This is the kitchen that makes up to 10,000 meals for schools in Bradford every day.
So the ladies are making a couple of our traditional curries. We've got a chicken tikka masala on today and we have a chicken and spinach.
It's a big operation that's recently improved thanks to a new building. Their previous facility was outdated and very environmentally unfriendly. Now high-tech equipment has slashed cooking and freezing time and they've cut their carbon footprint by 3/4.
The energy saving starts obviously with our cooking equipment and we're down time savings wise by about a third, which is superb.
The team provide halal and non-halal food but don't cook them in the same kitchen at the same time. New kit is allowing Chef Damien to be much more ambitious about everything they provide for schools.
Meat and 2 veg, sponge and custard, that was what everyone thought as a school meal. But, you know, young people's eating habits are changing. They're getting braver and in all honesty, the children of Bradford deserve the best from us. We're looking for restaurant quality.
Good morning.
But in the end, it's the taste test that really counts. The curries are served up at Bowling Park Primary School. So what's the verdict?
Are you all happy?
Yeah. Absolutely.
It's really good because we have like different stuff, different cultures of food.
What did you make of the chicken tikka masala?
It was very nice. We don't always eat junk food, we have healthy food as well.
Very few people have packed lunch and they always have different things on the menu, like yesterday it was Italian Day.
We get to try something new from around the world.
A lot of the children have become more enticed into trying something different. We have a lot of vulnerable students and sad to say that some of our children, the only really good meal they're going to get is in our school.
There are plans to introduce more new dishes in future. Those known for sometimes being the harshest food critics seem impressed so far. Corinne Wheatley, BBC Look North, Bradford.